Stop sounding robotic in your videos. And yes, I found a secret to viral voiceovers that will help you not to sound like a robot. And anyone who sees that video will not even know that it is an AI tool that you use to create that video. So let me just play some audios I created using this AI tool I'm telling you, and I also now use it to create a video. You will never know. Like the feedback I got, they never knew it was AI. They thought it was.
How na dey my people? Now your Nigerian girl wey dey create sweet content. I dey yarn about tech, AI and fintech, no boring talk o. My mission dey simple.
Imagine creating a voiceover that sounds like a real human. And I didn't just use English, I used Pidgin, Nigerian Pidgin. You can as well tell this AI tool that you want it to be said in Yoruba, maybe Hausa, French, Spanish, English, any language at all. And do you know one interesting thing about this tool? It is totally free, like 100% free. Okay, so before I dive into showing you this tool, I'm here to welcome you. If you are new to my channel, I say thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this video, like and subscribe, and also watch to the end so that you get all the juices. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you for helping us grow this channel. So let's dive in. Open your browser. You go to, let me share my screen. Okay, so open your browser and you type Google AI Studio. Like, this is an amazing AI tool from Google, and it is 100% free. Like, that's so lovely. Okay, so open it and you go to Google AI Studio. You click on it. So what you can see here is try nano banana. We are not talking about nano banana today. I have a video on that as well. This is generative native speech. If you have not watched my video on nano banana, check out the video before this one. You will see I showed us how to use nano banana to generate fantastic images that looks exactly like you. Check the video before this, you see that. Okay, so I click on generative native speech. Right, you can see what is saying here. Read aloud in a warm tone. So we want to click on this icon here that looks like this, right? And one interesting thing about this tool is that you can also use it to create a dialogue video where you and someone else is talking. But today we want to look at just a single speaker. You can see here single speaker and multi speaker audio. So I'm clicking on the single speaker, right? So here now you can see voice. You generate, choose any voice at all you want, either and the tone you want, high, middle, low, pitch, depending on how you want the thing to be said, right? So you can decide and choose any one you want. So let's choose a one that is lower. Let's say, play this one and see.
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
Okay, let's check another one.
Ready to build something awesome today?
Okay, this makes sense. Let's check another one.
Got a project in mind?
Oh, I love this. Got a project in mind. That's
Got a project in mind?
okay. So let's choose this one, right? And you now come here. It says style instructions. So you give it an instruction how you want it to read it. I say read it aloud in. So I'm gonna remove. Okay, I say warm and friendly tone. Okay, I can say make it empathetic and show emotions, right? Then here, this is also where you can add that it should use maybe Nigerian English, or it should say it in Igbo, or say it in Hausa or Nigerian Pidgin. So let me choose that Nigerian Pidgin. Use a Nigerian Pidgin accent, right? Nigerian Pidgin accent. Okay. All right. So here now you now type what you want it to say. Right, start pasting what you want it to say. Okay, so let's just quickly write something in pidgin. Okay, so that's when it can be able to read it out in pidgin. But let's still play that
I
one
am a
again.
tech creator that creates content about tech, AI, fintech, and finance.
Good. So we can see that this one, it said it in Nigerian accent, right? But not in pidgin. So we want to convert this thing I wrote now to pidgin, and let's see if it will say it in pidgin as well. So let me copy what I wrote here. Let's copy it. Right? Okay. I've copied it. Now I'm going to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, I will tell ChatGPT to transcribe this to a Nigerian pidgin English. So I'm going to paste it. Let's go. Say I be tech creator where they do content. All right, so I want to copy this now. I want to copy this. Good. So when ChatGPT generates it for you, you can just look at it and see if there's anything you want to correct before you take it into this tool, right? You can check if there's anything you want to just correct. But now there's no time for that. I'm just going to paste it here. So now let's run this again, right? Let's run it again and see.
I be tech creator where they do content about tech, AI, fintech, and finance. You don't learn from my channel. I beg like, share my video, and subscribe. Make you enjoy your day well.
So you see it. So we can, like, this is so amazing. I can go back to that place I chose voice, right? And change the voice. And let's choose this voice and see what it will give us. Let's run it again. I've chosen another voice and let's see the way it will say it. I didn't even check the voice I chose, whether it is English, I mean male or female. But we are running it. Let's see.
I be tech creator where they do content about tech, AI, fintech, and finance. You don't learn from my channel. I beg like, share my video, and subscribe. Make you enjoy your day well.
Wow, like this is so amazing. Like it's not even like 11 labs. Will 11 labs be able to speak pidgin for you this way? Like, and you can go back as well. Like the one I choose said higher pitch. Now I want to use a lower pitch. I want to use a lower pitch. Let me see this one in male or female.
What do you want to explore?
Okay, let me see if I will see. Okay, let's see this.
What kind of masterpiece are we aiming for?
Let's see this.
What's a skill you'd like to develop?
I'm looking for a soft and lower pitch. Lower pitch.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
This is soft, but it's not lower pitch. Lively lower pitch. Let's see this.
What kind of problem could we solve?
Oh, this is nice too. Lively and lower pitch. Okay, let's use this one. Friendly, lower and middle pitch. So let's run it again.
I be tech creator where they do content about tech, AI, fintech, and finance. You don't learn from my channel. I beg like, share my video, and subscribe. Make you enjoy your day well.
So this is so amazing and it's totally free. So once you are okay with what it generated for you, you just click on this place here and click on download. Feel like it will just download into your phone and you use it to create a video that you want or anything at all you want it to do, right? So that is it. Just very simple and easy, and it's better than 11 labs. It doesn't talk like AI, it doesn't talk like a robot, and it's totally free. So just go and enjoy and see you in my next video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post, you will be notified. See you and bye for now.